we've been sauteing our onions and garlic, lemongrass and ginger. Turn it down a little bit. Garlic always wants to burn, so you have to be careful that it doesn't. And now we're going to add our peppers that we so carefully sliced. That's going to add a lot of color. Look at that. It perks up the dish right away. Saute those a little bit. Let them release their sweetness. That looks great already. And then, I don't know if every cook knows this, but you should cook your spices a lot of times. This is Chinese 5-spice powder, which includes anise, ginger, fennel, licorice root, and cinnamon. And I'm going to add that in. Whoop, that's a little too much. There we go. And let's saute that a little bit. The spices are raw, and you want to, oh, that's just a ginger kind of tissue there. Okay, wow, you can really smell all the different pungent fragrances as you cook that. We're also going to put in a little bit of cracked red pepper for heat. And we want to saute those too. Not too much. A lot of flavors in this pot right now. When we come back, we're going to add our ribs back to the pot and make our sauce.